This is the Bay County Islamic Center. Emergency vehicles active all day long, non-stop. The little forest we have behind the Islamic Center is practically gone. The street is partially blocked, hardly can fit a single car at a time. Windows blown off, carpets, rooftops, inner roofs.
I've been so many disasters before since Katrina, but I haven't seen this kind of damage. This looks like a tornado and a hurricane hit together. And while we are coming towards this way, it was unbelievable. But alhamdulillah, as I spoke to the people in the masjid, mashallah, everybody is safe, the community, the members are safe, and masjid obviously got damaged, but inshallah we are working together to help together so we can make a difference, inshallah.
About how many people weathered the storm here inside the Islamic Center?
I think they were about 4 or 5 families, about 20.
SubhanAllah. And where did they go when the storm was hitting? Where did they go?
We end up in the kitchen, where the safe. It is small kitchen, maybe like 10 by 10. I can look at it now. But we moved from place to place. At the beginning, we were inside the musalla. I think we had about 10 children. Yeah, and this is really the heartbreaking part of it. They were so scared. They were so scared, crying, screaming. But the beautiful part, one of them, he said, keep making istighfars, he like 6, 7 years. That would touch my heart. I said, alhamdulillah, there's istighfars. Yeah, 3, 4 people were here. Yeah, I remember right there. This big ocean, that's where it started. And we felt like, okay, that was serious, yeah.
So when that window shattered, everybody moved to that hallway we came in.
To that hallway, yeah.
Okay.
We stayed first. We did some
Here. Flowing in.
And this door, so we closed this door, but still, we could not, keep it any longer. So we moved from this area to this area, and we closed that door. And this door, we were scared that this door gonna come next. As you see from the picture, it's a total damage. So the whole street really need to be rebuilt again. So alhamdulillah.
Inshallah, we'll do it. More
Your help is needed, and ICNA is always at the forefront whenever there is a affliction or disaster anywhere in the whole country. I remember, ICNA were during Katrina, all over, regardless of who are the people, who are the community, Muslim and Muslim, they are always forefront for helping a human that in need.